Welcome back to the channel, El Viado. Guys, I got some good news and some bad news. The good news is the market been going crazy, deals been going galore, you know what I'm saying? That's the good news. The bad news is I lost the bid last week. That Pontiac that sold for $300, the one that we checked out, I really was trying to grab that, but I ended up getting on the phone with my love. I was on the phone maybe for like 15 minutes, end up running through, didn't catch it. I would have bought that for $300, so we're back for 2 more rounds this week. Right here. Here we have a 2000 Pontiac. Now look, guys, the PMR on this is basically 300. Well, I don't know. I think the PMR is saying 800. I think, but it's only worth. I could be wrong because it's 2 of them. One is 800 PMR. This is only worth $390. It got 38,000 miles on it. It do run and drive. It's a Sunfire in the air blow code. I'm bidding on this, so I'm gonna put a proxy bid on this. I should have put a proxy bid on that one Pontiac, but I really wasn't sure of what it'll go for or whatever. But this is a scraper. It's kind of putting a little bit at the end, like I hear it. Like y'all hear that? But it run good though. It's shifting. And that's only in part. I'm sure it probably could use a little, sound like some exhaust or something. But let me see if I can hear it in the inside. Yeah, I think this, you know, we looking for scrapers and quick flips, guys. This is what this is, private party is, the retail on it is $320. Let me see. But I mean, for the most part, it's all there in this airflow code. That's the only thing I'm talking about. Air, you feel me? So I really genuinely don't know what this is gonna go for, because let me see what the PMR is real quick, guys, and we're gonna check that other one out. This is gonna be running through Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? So the auction that we've been hitting up the end of the week auction, you know what I'm saying? So this is gonna be a Wednesday. So let me see the PMR. PMR is $800 though, which is crazy. The PMR is 800, but that last one sold for 300. I can see this going for that too. I don't see it being no better. So, you know, I'm gonna offer him what it's saying that it's worth, which is $320. So I'm gonna start my proxy bid at $320. But it's not bad, guys. Kind of got like a little, sound like some exhaust, but it run though. You know what I'm saying? It run pretty good for a little, air blow code. Like the lights work. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put a bid on this. Let's check out the other one. I think the other one is a Jeep. But yeah, this the one right here, guys. I'm gonna let this battery go dead, just like they do everything else. We're gonna play the games they play, guys. So if it's something you like, make sure you let that battery go dead, because you know they ain't walking around with no jump box. If they want it, then they will, but a lot of people too lazy. They ain't bringing no jump box, and it's a scraper. I don't think it's that deep. A lot of people ain't like looking for these cheap cars, but we're gonna let it go dead. We're gonna let it go dead, and I'm putting a proxy bid on this, guys. This the one. So this is one of the ones. Let's check this other one out. I think it's a Jeep. I need to see how much it's worth. It's basically saying that hold on, guys. Pretty much all there, guys. So that's something that we're gonna place a bid on, man. PMR is reading 800, but it's only worth 320. I don't even know how that go. So let's check this other one out. This. And the other one is a little. You can always glue that back on. They got 162,000 miles on it. It's 2005, so yeah, this one might go a little bit more. This may go for let's see though, because you just at the end of the day, guys, you never really know genuinely. So let's this air blow. This air ain't even coming on. Yeah, that's crazy. That's what I'm saying, man. That ain't even coming on. So let me see what else is, cause this ain't it. This is a scrape. The air ain't blowing, so still wonder what to go for. So this, like I said, so far, and I'm not looking for it to be a lot of vehicles running through at the early week auction. Only so far 300, so the weekend normally about 800. So I never want to bid on a Wednesday just to keep it 100, because it's a lot of the big fish be around, so it's like they make it way harder. Ugh, it's a clean Camaro somewhere, but we really looking. This is a little scrape. I ain't gonna lie, man. That Sunfire is it, man. I'm gonna put a bid on that. I'm at least put 320. It ain't even worth, like, I'm not giving y'all $500-$600 for it. It ain't worth that, man. I ain't even gonna be able to make no money back. So to be honest, it'll probably sell for about 300. To be real honest, we only coming to look at some scrapes. So what's this? Let me see what this is, guys. Well, and I ain't really. Oh, they got 154,000. Okay, 154,000 miles on. It's a little scrape. They gonna want their money for that. So to be honest, guys, on this one, the Pontiac is something that we're looking at. Really ain't that much more running through. I mean, it's a lot, but like, it's a newer car. So that Pontiac is what we going. So I'm gonna get back with y'all guys. I was just sliding through. I seen the Jeep and that, just was sliding through to see what they had. Like I said, let's see what it go for, gang. For this is just a quick little, yeah. See you on the next one, gang.